Here I've got Hammer Blade, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications and pick the settings. Then scroll down until you see the security icon, which is here, and just choose it. Go a bit lower and here you'll notice Unknown Sources tab. So if you truly want to allow installation of apps from unknown sources, simply tap on the switcher. You have to be aware that your phone may be at risk once you install some app from unknown sources, but it will be all up to you. So if you truly want to do it, click on OK, and from now on you will be able to install applications from sources different than your home store. So that is all. This is how you can allow installation from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.